Hi, my name is Becca Pudens, and my topic is job design and work schedules. I decided to search for a current event that shows the repercussions of job design and found that Ruby Tuesday's CEO stepped down. This sparked my attention right away, curious to see if he had followed the major dimensions of job design and following through with a flexible work schedule. First, I will discuss what I learned from Chapter 8 and why it is relevant in our lives today. It starts off with 4 major dimensions of job design with job specialization and job description. The 4 major parts of job design include task, characteristics, knowledge, and different contextual characteristics. Having each of these parts intertwine with each other is bound for success. You also have to work with people in that environment that have job specialization, which simply means they are in this environment for a specific purpose. It can get slightly tricky if you have too many specialists in one area to try and have them work together. Job enrichment, job characteristics model is next. The job enrichment is a perfect way to keep your employees on their toes. It offers challenges, unique experience, or personal accountability to increase the importance of your job. This idea is not always for everyone, but should be specified to those who are wanting more growth in their job. This is a great way to pick out leaders. The next part is job involvement, enlargement, and rotation. Being involved in your job, enlarging the tasks involved, and then rotating your employees throughout the environment improves everyone's skills as a whole. If you can have multiple employees with multiple skill sets, you will be successful. Ergonomic factors can be a part of job design also. A concern in the workplace is making sure your workers are not being overworked. Ergonomics tries to minimize the physical demands on workers to make sure their time in the workplace is maximized, with a constant check on the workers to make sure they are not getting worn down. You also have various modified work schedules. Having a non-traditional work schedule offers flexibility, job sharing, alternative workplaces. It also offers a lifestyle of productivity, health, family, and a social life. Last but not least, you have job design contributes to a high-performance work system. The best way to have a high-performance work system is to constantly be checking up on your employees, making sure their needs are being met. Always be suggesting high performance. Let's move on to the current issue now. One of the main ways to identify if your job design and work schedules are being effective is to look at the company's success through their staff. Unfortunately, some companies just cannot succeed in a high-performance workplace, like Ruby Tuesday. Ruby Tuesday's CEO has resigned because of poor performance of their franchise. 13% of Ruby Tuesdays closed, which then led to his resignation. The reason being poor performance. When the CEO is performing poorly, the rest of the company will feel the repercussions. Poor performance in the workplace makes it obvious that the CEO of Ruby Tuesdays was not aware of his workers. The stigma of a low performance made its way back to the CEO, and he definitely is dealing with the consequences. I personally think the biggest change in a workplace would include job enrichment. If you're constantly changing how a job is viewed, giving new ideas, rotating employees, there is no doubt that the importance of working at Ruby Tuesday would improve. Hopefully, the company will be able to have a fast turnaround with a new CEO in charge. The point I would want people to take out of this event is the importance of how job design and your work schedule takes priority to being successful. Being a leader in your workplace includes being well-rounded in every aspect, always wanting to learn more, and having that attitude that you are worth far more than just another employee. There should be pride in your work no matter where you're at. Thanks for listening in.